Hello students, let us continue the session on revision in the chapter mensuration. 39th question is, what is the length of outer boundary of the park shown in the figure 6.16? What will be the total cost of fencing it at the rate of rupees 20 per meter? There is a rectangular flower bed in the center of the park. Find the cost of manuring the flower bed at the rate of rupees 50 per meter square. Here, the length of the outer boundary of the park we need to find out the cost of fencing. So the length of the outer boundary is nothing but perimeter. So the perimeter of park will be equal to, we need to add 200 plus 300 plus 80 plus 300 plus 200 plus 260. So 200 plus 300 plus 80 plus 300 plus 200 plus 260. The sum becomes 1340 meters. Therefore, the cost of fencing will be equal to rupees 20 to be multiplied to the total length 1340. We get rupees 26,800. Now to find out the cost of manuring, we require area of the flower bed. So the area of flower bed will be equal to length into breadth. They have mentioned the length as 100 and the breadth is 80. So 8,000 meters square. Now this area has to be multiplied with the cost per meter square. Therefore, cost of manuring will be equal to rupees 50 to be multiplied with 8,000, will be getting rupees 40 followed by 5 zeros. So we get 4 lakh. Question 40. The total cost of fencing the park shown in the figure 6.17 is rupees 55,000. Find the cost of fencing per meter. Here we need perimeter of the park. So let me find the perimeter of the park. Perimeter of park will be equal to, we need to add the outer boundaries 150 plus 100 plus 120 plus 180 plus 270 plus 280. The sum becomes 1100 meter. Therefore, cost of fencing the park per meter will be equal to total cost divided by perimeter. Total cost by perimeter will be 55000 divided by 1100. So 2 of the zeros get cancelled. We get rupees 50. Question number 41. In the figure 6.18, each square is of unit length. There are 4 sub questions here. The first one is, what is the perimeter of rectangle ABCD? Here perimeter will be equal to 2 times of length plus breadth. We require length as well as breadth. Here the length will be, this is 1 unit, 1 plus 1 2 plus 3 1 3 4 5 6. So 6 units will be the length, and the breadth will be 10. So it is 2 times of 10 plus 6, which will be equal to 32 units. Question B. What is the area of the rectangle ABCD? Area is nothing but length times breadth. So 10 times 6 will be equal to 60 square units. C. Divide this rectangle into 10 parts of equal area by shading squares. 2 parts of equal area are shown here. They have mentioned the 2 parts. We need to make similar area which is equal to area of 10 units. That can be made something like this. This is 1, in which I am taking 3 units here, plus 1 4 units, plus 1 5 units, and I'll continue till here. You can observe here the area here is 10 units, here 3, let me observe this one, 1 2 3 4 5 6. If I take it like this, 1 2 3 4 5 6 6, yeah, I can make each of the areas equal to 6 units, 6 square units. That is, if I consider it like this, here is 6. From here to here, if I consider, again it is 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then if I consider it in this fashion, this is again 6. Let me use a different ink. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6. All right, 1 2 3 4 5. One more required. Let me consider it here. This is 6 again. Then I would like to take in this way, from here to here it is 4 plus 2 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then from here 1 2 3 4 5, one more required. I'll take it like this. It is 6 again. One more I would like to take is 1 2 3 4 5 6, from here to here. Now I'll make one more, say 1 2 3 4 5 6. So each of the areas I have made as equal. This is one part, second part, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth and 10th. So totally 10 parts are made. Let me name this as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. So these are the equal parts. Let's answer. We have made 6 unit square area. Let me consider the next question. Question number D. Find the perimeter of each part which you have divided. If you count the length as well as breadth of each part, you will be getting 12 units. If you take this part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 plus 6, 8, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 units will be the perimeter. You can cross check and verify this. Next question is, a rectangular wall MNOP of kitchen is covered with square tiles 15 centimeter in length. Find the area of the wall. Here, area of one square tile with side 15 centimeter will be equal to 15 by 15, which is 225 centimeter square. Since the wall is covered with square tiles, we need how many square tiles? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. You can count it like this, or else here it's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 7 times is 28. So 28 square tiles are there. So the area of wall will be equal to 225 to be multiplied with 28. So many centimeter square. This will be 6300 centimeter square. Question number 43. Length of a rectangular field is 6 times its breadth. If the length of the field is 120 centimeter, find breadth and the perimeter of the field. Here the length of field is given, it is 120 centimeter. According to the question, length is 6 times the breadth. This implies that 6 times breadth is 120. So the breadth will become 120 by 6, which is 20 centimeters. Therefore, perimeter of the field will be equal to 2 times length plus breadth. So it is 2 times of 120 plus 20. We get it as 280 centimeters. Question number 44. Anmol has a chart paper of measure 90 centimeter by 40 centimeter, whereas Abhishek has one of which measures 50 centimeter by 70 centimeter, which will cover more area on the table and by how much. So here we require area. So the area of unmolds chart paper will be equal to 90 by 40 centimeter square. 90 by 40 is 3600 centimeter square. At the same time, Abhishek has chart. So area of Abhishek's chart paper will be equal to 50 by 70, which is 3500 centimeter square. Therefore, the chart paper of Anmol will cover more area on the table than that of Abhishek's. By we should subtract, we will be getting the difference as 100 centimeter square. Question number 45. A rectangular path of 60 meter length and 3 meter wide is covered by square tiles of side 25 centimeter. How many tiles will be in one row along its width? How many such rows will be there? Find the number of tiles used to make this path. Here the length is given as 60 meter. Since the tile is given in terms of centimeter, I'll convert this in centimeter. This becomes 6000 centimeter. And the width is given as 3 meter, which is 300 centimeter. And the side of a square tile is given as 25 centimeter. Now I'd like to find the number of tiles which will be in one row along the width of the path will be equal to width of the path divided by side of tile, which is 300 divided by 15, 25, this will be equal to 12. Now I like to find the number of tiles row wise. This will be equal to the length divided by side. The length is 6000 divided by 25, which is 240. Therefore, the total number of tiles will be equal to 12 times 240. This will be 2880 numbers. With this question, I'll end today's session. We shall take a few more questions in the next session. Thank you.